first thing I got were these garden veggies chips. They're shaped into ghosts and bats, which I thought was pretty neat. The older kids don't like veggie chips, but I know Luhan does, so I had to grab him some. Next thing I got are these jack-o'-lantern cheese balls. Leon loves these a lot, so I had to get them. I got these cute little sugar cookies shaped as Frankenstein and Ghost. I also ordered the mummy one, but they were out of stock, so I only had these two to work with. I got some classic candy corn. Next are these gummy things. It was so funny because the kids were with me when I went shopping for them, and I told Leia that they were real teeth and she got scared. I also got these witch fingers that were next to the gummy things. Once again, I told Leon and Leia they were real, so they were super scared. Luhan wasn't so scared though, so he wanted to eat them. Next are these Oreo cookies with 5 different Halloween designs on them. Last but not least, I got these orange fudge dipped pretzel rods with white fudge drizzle.